2500s. You can't even hear it. Nothing. That's what I'm saying. You can't hear anything. That thing is beautiful though. Look at that, you guys. Here we go. Out the way, Dedrick. Dedrick strikes again. Tony said.
Hey guys, y'all registered? Came in?
No, sir.
Right,
No.
We're a private event.
Well, you guys, I actually got kicked out. They said I was too poor. They said I should get my butt out of there.
But the only power source capable of generating 1.21 gigawatts of electricity is a bolt of lightning. What did you say? What did you say? A bolt of lightning. But the only power source capable of generating 1.21 gigawatts of electricity is a bolt of lightning. What did you say? A bolt of lightning. Ooh.
What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new by any chance, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And this is my friend Dedrick, first time on the channel. You have anything you want to say?
God is good.
Yes, he is. So leave a comment down below and tell me what y'all thought of the video. Let's roll. So you guys, my car dirty. Don't look like it, but it is. I washed it yesterday and I came to it this morning and it was just ugly looking. So I did this video a long time ago. I want to say 2 years ago. I came to this car, the same car meet. This time gonna be different. It's gonna be a little better. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and stuff. I don't even know. Now, this car right here, man, my favorite, bro. That's a GT RS. It's kind of quiet, too. She's taking a U-turn. You miss the traffic cones. That thing is beautiful though. Look at that, you guys. What you say about that one, Dedrick? Z06. Tony said.
Hey guys, y'all registered? Came in?
No, sir.
Right,
No.
We're a private event.
Well, you guys, I actually got kicked out. They said I was too poor, and they said I should get my butt out of there. But all jokes aside, you guys, that's not what happened. The guy was really nice. He said I had a what's the word, man? I can't think right now. Registration. I didn't have one, so they said, sir, you got to get up out of here. And that's what happened. So I'm trying to get you guys some other type of footage somehow. So bear with me. It's coming. So you guys, I'm leaving. I'm going to get you guys some footage. So
turn right to Summerside Drive. You have reached your destination on your right.
I like the fitment on here. This one look like, I think this is somebody's that works here. That's nice though. What is this? Is that the new electric one? Oh yeah, it is. Check that out. Dang, there's some big brakes. Look at that. You can't even hear it. Nothing. That's what I'm saying. You can't hear anything. You guys, I was just looking at this. Try a good look at it. Well, I want y'all to see. I couldn't see before, but these brakes are huge on this thing. Also, but you see how big the tires are. Same size as the Camaro tires, bro. You can't really tell because it's dark, of course. Yeah. That's one thing about Porsche. They have some of those beautiful rims, interiors, but a lot of people just don't like them. You know, stuff. Except new Audi V10. Oh, this one? Of course. Sheesh.
Look at it. Look at it. Right
Yeah, I see it.
I was just nailed there.
But you gotta realize it's got a whole bunch of features in it. Javelin out there. But is this stick shift? No, it's not. These are goals right here. Well, not this car. You got the suede steering wheel, suede seats, you know. Yeah. I like how the vents are. They look just like the Camaro. I like this one. Let's see. Let's see. What are we talking about? S5? Huh? What about them? Black rims. 37,000. Is it used? Oh yeah, that mug guy. I don't know if you guys see it. 70. Damn, I think it's kind of on his last legs, huh? Yeah, it sure is. No wonder it's 37,000. I spotted a Shelby GT 500. Looks like a 2003. What? Why are you touching the sheesh, man? The alarm goes off, and guess what? We're kicked out again.
Alright, I'm sorry.
But
it just look nice. I can't touch it.
nah, bro. I can't take you to no car meets. 2013.
I guess these are big.
Yeah, airflow. Yep. It's like a 13 and 14 model. For you Focus people out there. Yep. Yep. I like that BMW too. Let's see how much mileage is on here. M3? Oh. Let's see. Yep, it's open. There you guys go. Let's see. First time in the M3. And you guys, these seats suck. I'm sorry for my BMW fans, but these seats are too firm. Wow. Yeah, bro. I like how they got the ventilated stuff in here, but yeah, this is an M3, my first time being in one. Yep. And there you guys go. Y'all got me in a BMW now. 200 on the dash. Yep. Oh, that's nice. It'd be cool if it was open. Nah. Oh, what? Open. First time at GT500. Oh, now these seats feel more firm than that BMW over there. You got the screen, you got the knob, shift knob. Man, this is nice, you guys. Put the seat backs on. Yeah, this is nice. Future car, I don't know. I like how they got that suede right there. Well, not suede, but embroidery. But yeah, man. 200 on dash. Shelby. Yep, it's got suede steering wheel. Oh, this thing's nice. Yep. I want you guys to know, just because I got a Camaro, that don't mean I don't like Mustangs. I like all sports cars. Check out this next car. 2018. All right, Brian. I'm looking at these. How much we looking at? How much we looking at? Oh, sheesh. Oh.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, that's about 5 Camaros right there.
That costs the heart and the brain. Forget an arm and leg. That costs the heart and a brain.
Now, that costs your whole body, almost. Just about freaking whole body. Let's get out the way. But I do like Range Rovers. It's just,
They so high.
yeah. Yeah. So this is owned by somebody. This thing, I like the rims on there too. Oh. I still can't believe those are stickers right there. Then they got, I like this color, this wrap right here. It look wrapped.
You don't see Randy Orton driving this.
I'm pretty sure you can afford it.
I know he can afford it, but you may not see him driving this.
Nah, that's a big Brembo. I mean, well, it might not be Brembos, no telling. Got the engine in the back. Oh, look, there we go. Out the way, Dedrick. Dedrick strikes again. But look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but everything's been signed. So, yep, everything's been signed. Look at that. Yep, it's got the peanut butter guts in it.
Outside peanut butter, outside jelly.
Ooh, you don't see those a lot. Okay. You can just hang around here in good footage. It's crazy. Boy, I wish I could afford one of those. That things sound crazy. Now this is beautiful right here. Now which one would you take, a McLaren or a Ferrari?
Asking the wrong person.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah, I said the wrong person. Cause to me, they both look the same.
Nah. To me, man, I'm a hardcore car person, so I gotta have both. I can't.
They got the same. They got the engine in the back, just like the Ferrari.
But you gotta think, man. It's different tunes, different modes, different vehicles. See, like, I mean, I'm a big Porsche fan, but Jesus, the McLarens though, and that's a nice one too. See how weak these look? Man, Porsche, I'm a big fan of you guys, but y'all gotta step. Oh, what's with this? Damn, never seen that before.
Step it up.
Now, we ain't gonna talk about these Maseratis here because them cars are poo-poo. You know, I don't recommend you guys buying one unless you just want to have it for looks.
Ferrari or Lamborghini, I get all the pajamas you gonna get.
Boy, I just like these front ends though. Look at this, baby. Jesus Christ. They got more grip. Look at that baby, man. Ooh.
Oh, why you had me the camera?
Look at this. This thing is nice. God. Uh-oh. Damn. You don't see one of those. You don't see those either.
That's the old school edition.
Damn. Hold up. Hold up. Give me a second, you guys, man. I gotta film this. Man, that's beautiful. Jesus. Then you got the classic joint. I remember driving this thing in Forza Horizon with the fireworks and everything. Oh, man. Yes, sir. You don't see those a lot at all.
Imagine the retirement money you getting. Man.
Yeah. Why they did that? Put the lock and then put the door next to it. It's weird. I sat in one of these, bro. Very uncomfortable.
Is it really a comfortable?
Yeah, this one is. Yeah, bro. This is very uncomfortable. I kind of don't like the front end. It kind of looks weird looking. This would be a cool job, just moving cars around. Just moving them around. Yeah. That's the service department right there. Yeah. Woo-wee. Well, I feel like just staring at this thing, I might break something.
Might break the window.
Nah, I ain't gonna go all the way in there, but what I will do is show you guys some of the older ones. Yeah. So I'm just. Yep. Look, they closing it. This is. Carbon fiber steering wheel. drop top. Look at this, guys. I like this one right here. They even got the steering wheels. Oh, this is okay. We got the brake calipers. Yeah. See all that? Seatbelt colors. Yeah, they got all the colors of the cars. Yep.
Yo, look at this cool refrigerator.
Refrigerator, where is it?
Yeah, right here.
I didn't even see it. Ferrari? No, I don't even know what that is.
It's probably a refrigerator.
I guess so. It might be a safe. And soon somebody grabbed it. Now, if I had a choice, red and black. I'm sorry. I'm a sucker for them colors. Red and black.
Bro, we gotta go to the fair park.
This is a drop top version. Yeah, that red look nice in there. Kind of like these too.
Yeah, well, they weren't ready for the next college.
It's over here. Suitcases and all that stuff in here. And my favorite Ferrari up there. My favorite one.
McFly ever amounted to anything in the history of Hill Valley.
Yeah, well, history is gonna change.